Well, an Indianapolis icon hit hard by the pandemic is embracing the new normal. Shapiro's Delicatessen began testing all of its employees for COVID-19 this week. There were two lines, one for the carryout inside, one for the coronavirus testing in the parking lot. As our partners at Wish TV report, Dan Klein reports, even with customer support, if things don't change soon, the restaurant may have to close for good.
Hey there, are you getting tested today?
Yes. A line of cars in the Shapiro's parking lot, but it's not customers, it's employees. Not painful, but not pleasant either. Each employee getting a test for the coronavirus. Inside, it's a bit eerie. The counter closed, as it's been for weeks. All the chairs stacked upside down.
I miss the chatter. I miss the chatter at lunch.
And the chatter the rest of the day, too. Elise Kittner, one of the fortunate ones, part of the skeleton staff. A few minutes earlier, she took her turn outside.
Thank you. Not as bad as I had thought, actually.
For her, the decision to test all employees is a no-brainer.
Working with the public like we do, just making sure that we're staying safe, we're keeping our customers safe, and our staff safe.
Absolutely. I think that it's the new normal.
Owner Brian Shapiro isn't excluded either. Inside, the carryout line is constant for a Tuesday, even though takeout has seen a nearly 300% increase since mid-March.
But nowhere near what we can afford, with an empty restaurant of this size or scale.
There's no discount on the utilities, the phones, the taxes. And with no NCAA Sweet 16, no typical spring sports tournaments, no conventions, business is down at least 80%. After 115 years of operations, 7 weeks into the restaurant seating closure, he says he doesn't have much time left.
30 days, and that would just be the end of it.
And while he thinks 50% capacity seating will add 90 days, there's no telling when that will be allowed in Marion County. Still, the testing is something he's adding.
We owe our duty to our employees, to the customers, to start having a baseline.
Even as he knows, with results likely Thursday, it's only a snapshot in time with no indication of future results. Yet, the hazmat suits and the swabs will be regulars in the parking lot, something Kintner never thought would be in the job description when she was hired 1 year ago.
Absolutely not. The times have changed. No, didn't think that would happen.
But it's important.
Yes, very important.
Brian Shapiro plans to test his employees every 1 to 2 weeks. Now, the testing is done by a private lab, and each round costs several $1,000s, but he believes he'll be reimbursed either through private insurance or through the federal payroll protection program. In his words, he tells me he hopes Mayor Hogsett loosens those restrictions as soon as he feels like it's safe.